Hello, hi guys. Today I'm going to teach you how you can build and host your website for free. I'll teach you how to use CAD as a platform to be able to build your website for completely free. You build the website, I'm going to hold your hands, I'm going to teach you how to build a website for free. I will also teach you how you can use CAD to be able to host your website just for free. If you wait to the very end, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide of what you need to do to host your website for free and then build that website just for completely free. This website can be used for your business, you can use it for your profile and other things. There are a lot of templates that you're going to use. You don't need to know how to code. So if you're ready, follow me now. Yeah, let's go. You can build a profile website, you can build a landing page. Look at a profile website that shows your profile. You can build a landing page and then look at some landing pages where you run ads and then you want it to land here so that people can take action, buy your product and other things. You can also integrate a form, a web page that has a form, and look at all the beautiful templates here just for completely free. Now, before I show you the free platform, let me show you what a typical hosting will cost you. Building a website, not just the money you are going to pay your developer, but the money to host it. For a year, if you are hosting your website with cPanel on Giga Layer, you'll be paying about 17,750 naira. And just for all these packages, that does not include SSL. So if your developer is charging you this amount of money, SSL is not included. Now, if you want a full package, something that you need for a whole year, you'll be paying for as much as 42,600 naira. Now, let's say you want to do that in dollars, you have to pay for about 2.95. Let's just say about $3 per month. 3 multiplied by 12, that is going to give you a whole sum of money that you are going to use even in a year to be able to build your website. Not just building, don't forget, just hosting your website on those platforms alone. Now, what if you are a low budget company, or you're just starting out and you want to build your website, particularly if you are doing affiliate marketing, and you just want to have a landing page where you have run ads and you want your product to go, you want your customers to go. Now, just come to card.co. Now, look at it. I've highlighted it here for you. card.co. That's where you're going to go to be able to host your website for just completely free. And I'm going to walk you through the corridors of how we're going to get it done right now. So, card.co is where to go, and then we're going to go there right now. So the first thing you are going to do, you will see that with card.co, you can create simple, free, and fully responsive one-page website for anything you want to do. So the first thing you do is to choose a starting point, and then you're going to see all the different templates provided for you. Today's class, I'm going to show you how to build a landing page. So we're going to build a landing page if you have a product. Now, this is specially made for those people that are affiliate marketers, or you want to sell a product, or you want to even have your own profile. You can come here. But today we are not going to talk about profile, we want to talk about a landing page. I want to show you how to build a landing page for free and how you can build your website for free. So I want us to look at what we can use, a template that can be very good for our product. Now, if you look at this card, there are actually some pro versions here. You see pro. So, but we're going to use the simple one that is going to be very free. So if you look at it, let's say we want to look at this, you can view the demo and see how it's going to look like. You have several templates. So this is how your website is going to look like if you actually finish building it. And this is how everything is going to go. So if this is what you want, then you can use something like this for your website, and then you will be able to go with it. So we're going to go with it. So if we want to use this template, then we'll use this template. This is how it's going to look like. So let's come back to where we were before. So I want to show you other templates again that we can use that are also free template. There are a lot of free templates that you can use. You are seeing them demo. So let's see, we have this demo now. If you have a product that is coming very soon, let's say you are preparing for Black Friday and then you want something like this. So this is what you're going to have, and then it's going to be doing countdown for you, countdown for you. So let's go back to the template we have chosen before. The first template is selected so that we'll be able to use that template to build a landing page. So that's amazing, quite off. So let's go there and then let's use it. So we have something like this that are Ahmed Magna. So that's what we're going to use, and then I will go. So we select it. After we select it, it's going to load for you, and then you're going to see the template, but you need to actually be a registered person here. And then, so now for those of us that have not done anything around web design before, this is more or less like a plug and play template. So it's going to show you how you're going to do everything. Here is saying add element, that is, you can change the text, you can put your own pictures there, and then you can do whatever you want to do there. So this is where to undo previous action, this is where to redo the previous action, this is where to preview any animations if there are any animations there. Then you can view it how it's going to look like on mobile form. That is, you want it to be responsive. When you say something is responsive, it means that when you view it on mobile, it's going to come out fine, come out clean, come out neat. When you also view it on the PC, it's going to come out clean, come out neat. So if you view it here, it's going to come out neat. So these are the panels you're going to be following, and then this is our menu for more actions. These three dashes are the menu for our more actions. So if you got it, then we can go. So you click here and say okay, got it. So if you say okay, got it, then we're gonna go. So now this is an image, we're going to add an image there. So the first thing is that we're going to upload the image. So once you click on it, it's going to load, and then I will just upload a random image there for you, so that we'll be able to use a random image there for you. So I'm going to upload a random image there for you to use. So we're going to upload a random image that we can just use. Let me pick one of the images I've downloaded from iStock Photo. So let me just pick this, and then we're gonna go. So I'm putting up that image there, and the image is quick tips. So let's say that is what I want to have. So I've been able to place it there, and then you say accept. So quick tips, wow, quick tips. So we're going to build something there. The alternative text is that you want to say okay, quick tips. Now one of the things I'm going to do again is that if the image is available on the URL, and then I'm going to put it there, if I can say alternative text, I can say quick tips, quick tips, quick tips, quick tips. So that's what I'm going to have. So, and then once I'm through with everything that I've done on that image, then I can say done, and then it's going to be there. So this text is going to be okay, what do I want to have on the text here? So I can say welcome to quick tips. So welcome to quick tips, welcome to web design, or can say web design without, or let me just say without coding, and then I would then save it. So once I go down, I can make it bold. I can decide to select the bold option. So I can just say this. If you want to use a backslash to prevent the character from being passed as markdown, so that's what you're going to do. So you say down here, and then here, once I click on it again, it's going to load it here for me. I will select title, and then I can then say free hosting, free hosting, free web hosting, free web hosting, free web hosting. That is what I have done there, free web hosting. So I can then want it to save. If it has animation, I can look at the animation, and then this is the brush that can make me to make the selection, and then I'm trying to reduce it now. I'm trying to reduce it. The color there before was black. I can change the color there to different color. So then the template of the color that I have there, let me say I want it to be yellow, since what I have there is yellow. So what I have under the quick tips image is yellow. Then I can move it and say I want to have something yellowish. So this, okay. So let me just leave it like that. So I can change the text, I can change the text, I can make it to the caveats, I can make it to the bantam, or any beautiful ones that you want. That is what you can do there. So, and then when you come down, you you are through with it, you can then save it and say done. You can decide to have outline for it. Let's say you want to have an outline, then this time around it's better to make the outline to be something black or something white, something like that. So maybe you want to have an outline like this. So if I'm going to have that outline, then I'm going to return it back to black color because that will not be good. So let's say I want to have something black, something very black, and then let me change the outline again. I'm just trying to play around for you to see. I can also select no outline. So I can also select blue outline, or I just make the outline to also be black so that everything can be done. So I will say done. So now I want to edit the text and say welcome to web hosting without. So this is what I want to do now. I want to edit this text and then here. So once I double click on it, it's going to bring it up for me, and then I will be able to edit it. So this is the text here, this is the edit button here. So all what I have here, I'm going to type it now for you to see and say you can build a landing page for your products, affiliate products. I want it to be affiliate product for your affiliate products to sell for free. Hosting here is free. Hosting here is free. Yeah, so that is that. So now I want the button here that will take me to wherever you want to go to. So I'm going to put a button. Whenever you are putting a button in a website, it means that you want people to take action on that button. That's where you want people to take action from. So let's say I want to sell a product and I want them to go straight to where they are going to buy. So this is what I'm going to. So the button must have a name. So down these buttons are always call to action. So if you have call to action and say buy now, you want to say sell now and everything. So this is what you're going to do. So you click here and then the label you're going to say okay, buy now. You're going to say order, place order. You can say place order, or you say buy now. So now the URL, I'm going to put the URL of my website there, and then that is what I'm going to use now. My website is goodnewsinfotech.com. So goodnewsinfotech.com, that's what I'm going to do. The color that was there is this color that you have here, and you see you can change, it has changed to place order. So I can change the color or leave the color there. For the purpose of this class, I'm going to leave the color there. So I will say done. Once I'm through, I will say done. So you can see we are building something is going on. So here I can actually add the information or add a video, a short information about the product. If I'm selling a book, I'm going to add information about the book here, and then once you click on it here, people will be able to see it, and then you also click on the information that you have there. So another information again that is very important is that before you go, you discover that a landing page, you must have several call to actions. The several call to action mean that you can actually give as many call to action, as many buy now buttons that you can attract people. Now, the most important thing is the social icons. So you have the social icons here where you want people to follow you. So once you click on it here, you can put your Twitter link, you can put your Facebook link, you can put your Instagram link, and then possibly the email link, and then it's going to go. So like that, you will be able, and once you are through, you click on done. Don't forget that this button is allow you to preview how everything is going to be if you have animation here. Now you discover that you can publish it. Once you click on this button, you can publish it. You can change the background here. You can change the background, and then this background here, either you upload or you pick from the library of backgrounds that you have there. You can do that. So let's go ahead to now publish this now. So if you want to publish it, then you must actually create an account. So we're going to use an account now to be able to publish it. So I will just give a random email that will allow us to be able to do that now. So we're going to do that. We're going to do that now. 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 So let me use this random email. So I'm going to use my first name, Samuel, and then I'm going to create a password there for you to use. So I'm going to create a password. So okay, let's just use this random password now. But the password will be copied, and then this is for the purpose of the class. Copy the password. I'm just using the random password now, and then the title is creating, or let's use building instead of saying creating. Building because we're actually building and hosting your website for free. So that's how to do it. So here we can say, okay, the title again is what we're going to duplicate. So let me just put a guide there that will guide anybody. This is a free guide. So that's going to be a free guide. And then now, when you actually use card, this is the Gmix there. Card allows you to be able to publish and then host it for free. This hosting will allow whatever you are building to carry the extension name. Let me use that for those that do not understand some of the big grammars of web design. It will carry the extension name of card.co. So what we're going to have is going to be hosted on card.co. So they are the one paying for the hosting. They are the one doing everything. That's why it's completely free for you. And you can host as much as 3 different websites, 3 different landing pages or profile per account you have. So now if you select this and say okay, you want it to be there. So now we are going to now have a name. This is the name it's going to carry. Now, but you can publish it to your own domain. If you have your domain, you must publish your domain, but it is a pro version. It's a pro version. You have to sign up. You can do trial for 3 days. You can also save it as a template. So now what we're going to do now is that I'm going to just create a name for it and say, because I will use this as a guide, so I'll just say good news, infotech, good news, infotech. Now, so it's going to check for it. If it's available, then it's available, then I'm going to go. So now it says lowercase letters and hyphens only must be at least 3 characters long. So I have goodnewsinfotech.car.co. So that's what I'm going to have here, and then I will say publish. So oops, the site background hasn't been assigned an image yet. Please assign an image to it or save this site as an offline draft. So let's go to the background and then try to pick from the library and then just use one. So we have many beautiful ones here, but let's look at the one that will match what we have just done now, and then something that will look so interesting and fascinating. So I love many fascinating things, and then I think I will pick this one that is actually doing some nice things here. So that's what I have there, and then let me say done. So that is the background that I want here. So I'm going to come back again. I want to still publish it. I hope it's not going to take me back to where I was before. So, and then I said publish. So oops, unfinished element, you have 2 elements that haven't been finished here. Please finish this element or save this site as an online draft, he said. So there are so many elements that I have not done, but I just want to publish it for you. So once you pick it like that, you'll be able to say, okay, the element that I have not finished are these ones that I have not edited. I have not changed it. I have not changed all of these elements. So now, but when you're through with it, you pick all the elements and then you say publish. Then your site will be published and then to be live. Don't forget that you want to preview it and then you look at it, how it's going to look like, you'll be able to see everything how it's going to look like. So that is just a simple way that you can create your website. You can host this website, host your landing page for completely free. Now, if you want to build a solid website for your business, for your school, for your organization, that is what we do at goodnewsinfotech.com. So what we do at goodnewsinfotech.com is to ensure that we help you build highly responsive website. You can also host your website for free for you, and everything you want to do can be put in there. Maybe you want to have a plugin, you want to sell, you want to actually have an e-commerce website, you want to sell your products, you want to create a school management system, whatever thing you want to do, you want to create an arbitrage website, everything you want to do, we are doing it at goodnewsinfotech.com. Just see the link in the description button below to contact us, and then we'll be glad. So please, if you have not subscribed to this video, if you have come this far, it means that you love this video and it has made a lot of impact to you. Please kindly ensure that you use this video and then share it with other people. But before you go, click the like button and then please subscribe to this video, subscribe to this channel, so that I can share with you more tips on how to make money online and then in web design and digital marketing. See you next time.